Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the CAT versus the symbiosis exam. So if you talk to any of the students or anybody will take both the exams are same. You just need to brush up skills. और CAT दे दिया तो SNAP तो आराम से निकलेगा. जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. There are a lot of differences between the two exams. Fine. So in this video we'll talk about all these things. So by the way, it's not CET, it's the SNAP exam. Fine. So please be with me for the next few minutes. I'll walk you through the complete paper. 75% of the paper of the SNAP exam is different from what you've seen in CAT. 75%. That includes a lot of question verbal, GK पूरा का पूरा अलग है, and then logic as well. Fine. So I'll walk you through the complete process and how to plan yourself as compared to the CAT exam. Starting with the level of difficulty, obviously CAT will be much more difficult than the SNAP exam, considering the fact CAT contain 100 question and SNAP contain 160 question. So obviously level of difficulty have to be high because I got 3 hours ka time here. I got only 2 hours ka time here to solve 160 question. So obviously the level of difficulty per question will be not that difficult, but because the time is less, that will make SNAP as a more difficult section to perform. Okay, talking about the paper pattern, quant 34 question, level of difficulty medium to high. In SNAP, quant 40 questions, level of difficulty medium to high. Almost same level of difficulty of both. CAT obviously will be a little bit more higher. But SNAP you'll find a lot of questions which you have done in the class. So out of 40 questions, I can easily say 20 questions you must have solved once in your lifetime. Okay. RC verbal ability mainly focused on reading based question, all 34 questions. In SNAP you'll get everything. RC, para jumble, para completion, vocabulary, fill in the blanks, everything is gonna be there, 40 questions. Okay. DI 16 questions. In SNAP, DI is part of quant, only 8 questions. Only 1 or 2 sets. One set of 4 questions, one set of 2 questions, 6 questions. Total 6 to 8 questions, not more than that. So DI is not there in the SNAP exam. So don't need to prepare for my DI section. Okay. Moving to the logic section, 16 questions. Here logic section is going to be 40 questions. And will include everything. Exactly like CET papers and MAT paper, you will get everything. Coin decoding, input output function graph, coin decoding, input output, deductions, logarithms, puzzles, everything is gonna be there. And last different factor is the GK part. Okay. And GK is going to be a deciding factor because most of people are going to ignore. SNAP is going to be after 2 weeks of CAT. So you will get only 2 weeks of time to mainly focus on GK. So if you're working on your GK from today, trust me, you won't feel much of a difference because you will be prepared with the GK right now. Okay, थोड़ा GK करते जाओ. I'll be uploading a video on, a PDF of GK on cetgain.com/snap, our website. So you can get the details about the SNAP exam and that GK questions from there. With the promise, every year 5 to 6 questions are coming from our GK section, GK handbook. Yep, in the exam. So that will be more than sufficient for you. Okay. So overall major difference is the GK section, logic section. Apart from that, everything is gonna be same. Okay. Talking about the quant section, now we'll go deep down into this. Both the paper have got the same topics. Fine. So arithmetic being main topic in the SNAP exam, whereas CAT you got geometry, arithmetic, and modern maths, all three equally important. But here arithmetic is main. Time, speed, distance, time, and work. These two topics are going to be there for 8 to 10 questions. So you have to hit upon that section. Now, but the only problem is the time is less. That will make NMAT SNAP more difficult to solve yourself. So otherwise it's fine. 60 minutes here for the quant section. Here I normally allocate 40 minutes or recommend 40 minutes, and you have to target 30 questions. Yep, to clear the cutoffs. Okay, moving to the verbal section, RC is dominating the CAT section with 24 questions, para jumble, para completion, critical reasoning, remaining 10 questions. But here you'll get everything. RC, para jumble, para completion, grammar, vocabulary, everything is going to be there for 40 questions. Yep. So if you're a CET student, yellow book more than sufficient to crack the exam. Okay, the basic books. Fine, moving to the logic section. Again, SNAP exam will include everything on this earth, like NMAT exam, like CET exam, right from your critical reasoning to strong argument, weak argument. Fine, everything you'll see. And SNAP exam logic is the most difficult section of all. So these 40 questions you have to work on. ठीक है, whereas CAT is only puzzles, all 16 marks का puzzles. ठीक है, so logic is 100% difference when it comes to CAT versus SNAP exam. ठीक है, overall value of the exam, CAT obviously is given by for all the main IIMs and everything. SNAP on the other hand is not bad at all, especially the top 3 colleges, SIBM, SCM, HRD and SIIB being the 3 main front runner of the main colleges. So you can target the exam for these 3 colleges. Yeah, the exam is going to be after 2 weeks from CAT, so you not get much time to study, and you don't need to study as well because maths, verbal सब कुछ किया होगा. Only you need to change is logic and your this thing GK. So major difference is GK, logic. Rest everything is going to be same. So again, CET yellow book is more than sufficient for all these things. Most of the coaching class is not going to focus on SIMBI exam. So what you can do, you can join our dedicated program for the Symbiosis. That includes your shortcut, workshops, mocks, everything, including the GK as well. So that program you can join at CET King. Alright, so if you have any more questions, you can ask me on Facebook. That's my Facebook page, or you can post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply. So do subscribe to my channel here so you can get all the updates. And in case you have any more, you want to buy our programs, you can go to cetking.com/shop. You can buy mock series, shortcuts and the books on these exams. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video.